Welcome to AIage, your ultimate resource for learning about artificial intelligence. Whether you aspire to become a data scientist, an AI technician, or a coding expert, our YouTube channel is here to guide you on your journey. In this video, we will teach you how to create videos like this for free. Stay tuned until the end to discover the secrets of making captivating and informative videos on AI.
Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to introduce a website which will completely blow your mind. This website, which is an AI website, or we call it an artificial intelligence website, is used by some people who are into business or some stuff related to that in order to have an opportunity to advertise their products and their projects by making some videos according to this website. For having access and going into the website, you just need to search its name up, which is currently shown on the screen. After entering the website, you will see a sign up button, which is currently here. Then you have to sign up in order to make your videos for your advertisements. After that, there is a new page which requires your password and your email address. Not necessarily email, you can use Yahoo or Microsoft account or whatever you want to, but I would rather use an email if I want to sign up for myself. And then the rest is pretty easy. You just have to sign up with your password and your email, and then you are all good to go.
Nice.
And here you will see a message about terms and conditions. It's not really a necessary thing. It's just to show that you agree with those terms and conditions, and after that, you're all good to go. These plans themselves provide different tools and services to each user. And as you can see, you have to pay for them in order to gain access to their services. But fortunately, there is a free one, which is our main option.
Oh my god! Wow!
Here are plenty of ways that you can share the link of your website, and the AI will automatically illustrate and describe your business type. And here, there are options which are unavailable due to being free, but the main option that we are looking for is called Product Text to Video. Here you will need to type the name of your product, and after that, on here, you will need to give an explanation and a description of your product which you want to be read by the AI. And here you will need to write about your community in terms of age, language, and other stuff related to that. And by clicking create video, you will receive a notification from the website. And by doing that, we are almost done, and the only thing you need to do is to wait for your video till it gets generated. And this thing here shows the generating process of your video and how long it will take to be generated. And by doing that, you will have your video and your ideal advertisement of your products.
Yeah, boy.
And your business. So if you enjoyed our tutorial and you found it helpful, don't forget to drop a follow and try to support us for more tutorials and more information.